What is customary international law for human rights? Imagine a world where certain rules about how people should be treated are followed everywhere, even if no one has written them down in a formal agreement. That's what customary international law for human rights is all about. It's made up of rules that countries follow because they believe they are legally required to do so, not just because they want to. These rules develop over time through what countries do and what they believe they should do because of their legal obligations. Two main parts make up this kind of law. The first is called state practice. This means that many countries act in consistent ways that show they accept certain human rights principles. For example, governments might pass laws, make official statements, or take actions that protect basic rights like the right to life or freedom from torture. When many countries do similar things over a long period, it shows they are practicing these norms. The second part is called opinio juris. This is the belief that countries have that they are doing these actions because they are legally required to do so. It's not just about political convenience or tradition, but about a sense of legal duty. When countries act this way because they believe it's the right thing legally, it helps turn those actions into part of international law. Many ideas from the Universal Declaration of Human Rights, which was adopted by the United Nations, have become part of customary international law. Even though the Universal Declaration of Human Rights itself is not a binding treaty, most countries accept and follow its principles. This means that fundamental rights like the right to life, the prohibition of torture, and the right to be free from discrimination are now recognized as legal obligations for all countries, whether or not they signed specific treaties. Customary international human rights law is very important because it protects individuals worldwide. It fills in gaps where treaties might not apply, especially if a country has not ratified a particular agreement. It also allows people to bring cases to international courts, holding governments accountable for violations of these widely accepted norms. Knowing about customary international law helps people understand that certain human rights are not just ideals but are legally binding across the globe. It provides a strong foundation for exercising and protecting rights, making sure that everyone's basic freedoms are respected no matter where they live. This body of law makes it clear that respecting human rights is a universal duty, not just a matter of national choice.